Hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestyle DIYW, and I'm coming to you today with a quick flipping decor Fridays. Hey guys, so make sure you watch my video of how I created this beautiful home flower box or even candle holder for your spring decor. It was made with the home banner from the Target dollar spot. Stay tuned. Flipping decor with Lifestyle DIYW. So hey guys, it's Nikki here with Lifestyle DIYW. Happy Friday. And I'm doing a quick tutorial on how to make like a home signature vase box. Now that's what I call it, and I may call it something else when I release the video. But I got the home sign from Target, excuse me. And it was in the Target dollar spot. And it was $3. It's the actual banner. There's the H. So it's 4 pieces to the banner. And it comes with this twine. So I was going to keep it as a whole sign and just glue the edges together. But I wanted to make something that was a little bit more, more unique. So all I did was trace the square, one of the squares, on a piece of poster board from Dollar Tree. I believe I traced it just a little bit more bigger because when you cut, sometimes you're not able to cut on a straight line, and it's the thick poster board, so you have to give it a little bit of leeway. So I'm just cutting that square out, and all I'm basically gonna do is literally glue the sides to the poster board and voila, and decorate. Like, I'm not even going to, it's not going to be something crazy. And I just wanted to make something a little bit more home style, and with the word think about that when you're gluing stuff that has a weird angle. And I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to just take that globule of glue and go up the sides. Usually that's the last step, but because I added so much glue right here, I wanted to make sure that there's enough glue covering it. Now I'm on to my last letter, and the square is a little bit, there's a little bit more poster board than it should be. So I'm just going to trim this a little bit as best I can. No worries if it's not perfect, because this will be covered. You won't literally even see this. So let's see how far we can trim. And if you have some sandpaper or even an emery board, you could definitely do this. I'm just going to take the board and scrape it across. I'm not going to make it too... Sorry for the sound. Let me see if that brings it a little bit more closer. And yes, it does. All right, so I'm just going to add my glue on the bottom. Stick it to the last side. Squeeze it in as best I can. This time I'm going to add a little bit of more glue on the bottom, just because we just reinforced it, and I just want to make sure that the bottom sticks, because you will put a vase, or you could put a candle. You could just add the flowers, just like, some artificial flowers if you wanted to. I'm going to take my scissors, and I'm going to just roll up the top of that for the glue. And I'm going to glue the other side, see? Yeah. Yes, sir. I'm going to turn my glue gun upside down. So that gives it a better advantage. Right? And I'm going to take my glue, just come along the top, and go on the insides. A little messy in the insides, but it's okay. As I can see that. My glue is drying. One thing I like are the glue sticks from Michael's. I'm not too fond of the glue sticks from Dollar Tree. Just so you know. Now my box is completed. Now you can put, feet on here. I can add wood feet on here so it actually stands up. I'm also going to, this could be a hanging flower pot. Now, so you see how it has holes right here? You can add twine, bring them up, and make a